So we're going to do a quick video today on the startup of the heating system. Just put this one in. This is my personal furnace. I did a video on the relay and lowering the blower speed to help with dehumidify. You got our gas valve here, got it turned on. This is our outlet pressure. We're using our wireless field piece manometer probes. This is our inlet pressure here. So right now, looks like we've got 7.7 inches water column coming in, and we're just gonna check and verify our outlet gas pressure. All gas valves will have a rating on them. As you can see, regulate pressure 3.5 inches water column. So I should have 3.5 coming out. Pretty simple process. Anytime you have a heating call, your inducer motor has to start first. It runs to exhaust the fumes out of the house. It closes the pressure switch. So number one, motor starts. 2, pressure switch closes. If this pressure switch doesn't close, it won't go any further, it won't do anything else. Once the pressure switch closes, it sends power through your rollout switches, all of your safeties basically. High limit right there in the back center. Got another manual reset rollout on this side. Once power gets through all of your limit switches, it will send power to the hot surface igniter, and hot surface igniter will glow. Once it gets hot, it will energize the gas valve, and lastly, your flame sensor has to sense the flame and send the signal back to the board to tell you that everything ignited. So there goes our inducer motor. Pressure switch closes. Through all my safeties, 2 rollouts, 1 high limit. Hot surface igniter goes there. You hear the blower shut off. It's got a time delay. Once we get the flame, it'll let the heat exchanger heat up, and then the blower will come back on. So now we're gonna go to the gas valve. And we got ignition. And this is why we check. So I'm running 4.0 inches water column. So what we're gonna do, plug out. And inside we have an adjustment screw, and we're just going to adjust and watch our bottom number come down. 3.98. We're going to adjust to 3.5. Counterclockwise to lower the pressure, clockwise to increase the pressure. This is the first time I started this heat up, so I'm liable to set off the smoke detector. So we're at 3.5 inches water column. That was was our adjustment. Burners look good. We're gonna call this one good. Let me know what y'all think. Hit that subscribe button.